Hi, it's Irene on a very rainy day in West Kensington. In my view, London property right now is offering an enormous opportunity for serious buyers who are looking for an opportunity to buy well. Right now we're seeing softer prices, and it is really giving property buyers a great entry point to buy if they're looking to hold long term. So many areas are trading below recent peaks. Here you can see where Westminster Council is trading right now for residential properties seen within a long-term perspective, and serious investors will see it as an opportunity to buy in what is an inevitable long-term upturn trend. You can also see the prices for Kensington and Chelsea, which are also down. It's an opportunity to buy. What we're seeing also is strong rental demand and above all rising yields in the capital. So a lot of traditional landlords, because they can't offset their mortgages if they own the property in own names, are looking to sell their properties. This is called Section 24, and it's hit many landlords. And this is providing opportunities for new entrants coming into the market to buy, whether they're buying a home for themselves or a loved family member, and to hold as a home, or if they're looking for an investment, or they're looking to buy within a limited company as an investment property. Either way, it's an opportunity to buy, and to buy at value, and either have as a home, or you can get great rental yields, in some cases over 6% on average, which means that when you dig down into the data, you can actually see that certain property types or flat sizes, when you buy well, can achieve yields above that. So it's a huge opportunity right here in London right now. And of course, we have all been impacted by so much uncertainty in the world right now. Anytime you open the news, it's pretty terrifying, and it's easy to think that the world might be coming to an end. However, times like this do move in cycles. This is how I think, and how many philosophers look at things when they study it over time. You have 80-year cycles, and times like this keep on repeating, and it's an opportunity really to be decisive and to see where opportunity is, and to move forward when others are fearful and hesitating. And that's what many professional investors are doing right now. Banks are buying, and seasoned investors, they are buying as much as they can at the right price. In my view, London will remain a resilient, safe haven with long-term capital growth, no matter what any short-term issues or opinions on the current state of affairs. So we're really seeing that in times of high inflation, like we had in the 1970s, property has been a very safe asset class, which has not only held its own, but also delivered phenomenal results. And since January the 1st, 1970, as many of you have heard me say before, property values in London have 100-fold. And that's very much due to currency debasement and investors looking to move their cash into what can be deemed as a safe haven. Gold and silver, as we know, have taken off, and this is where many other commodities follow, and one could see residential property as a safe asset class in that context. It's really an opportunity right now, and I do believe that London is rewarding investors who will be decisive at this time. And I do believe, as a very wise property investor told me recently, that in years to come, I believe that we will look back at this time and see it as the greatest opportunity that we had to buy well, and to be able to hold for the long term in a way that can help both us and our families and future heirs to prosper and live well for many generations. If you're looking for some help on the ground to manage your property purchase, if you're too busy, maybe in a very busy job, or you live abroad or remotely, I'd be more than happy to help you and your families to achieve a great property purchase and with less stress, time, money and effort that you would otherwise do if managing the process for yourself. I'm always happy to have a chat. Get in touch. Thank you. At your service.